Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have a surprise for you guys. This is new to me, new to y'all. I have never worked on a car before. I've never restored a car. As you can see, we got the boats behind me. If I sound a little congested, it's because my allergies are messing up. But, this channel, for one, just reached 500 subscribers. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. We're going to keep growing the channel. We're going to keep going. I'm going to get more toys, more projects, things for me to work on and build. But what I'm standing in front of just changed the game. For me, for sure. And I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. But I'm going to turn the camera around because we just got a 1984 two-door box Chevy. It's a project build, but that's okay. We don't mind a good project around here. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and let you guys check it out. We'll do a quick walk around. I won't go too in depth, but here we go. There she is. This car has nothing. All it is a shell, just the body. On the inside, I do have the front grille. Like I said, it is a 1984, and it is 100% a project build. I got it for an awesome price, but we here, man. We have officially entered the car game. I'm very excited to even own something like this. Yeah. So I'll probably start off with taking the seats and everything out of the inside of it. See if I can get this side opened up. Yeah. That's the headliner. They got the headliner, got the grill with the headlights and stuff like that. It's a project, guys. We got some holes in the floor. A lot of work is necessary. Tons of work is necessary. But if you ask me, I'm ready for it. I'm excited. This is what I wanted. So I'm going to enjoy every bit of this project. So this is just the intro to the new project, and I hope you guys, if you did come because you're ready for some box Chevy content, welcome to the channel. As you can see, we got the boats up there, but it's time to get us going on a car build. Again, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all stay tuned for the follow-up video, and I'm gonna probably need some guidance. So if you do put cars together, please leave a comment below and let me know where you think I should start with this car. No crazy comments, guys. If it's gonna be mean or something, just don't even worry about saying anything, because I'm very excited, and there's gonna be some people who's going to love this build. So again, thank y'all so much. Please continue watching the channel, like and subscribe for more. Peace.